Hey everyone, we are going to create a schedule job to identify aging devices. Cloud Dimensions would like to identify devices that have not been discovered for more than 30 days. A schedule job can identify and set the status to absent for devices not discovered within their time frame. So now let's check the most recent discovery. For before that, I just going to create a schedule job. Let's go for a schedule job. So let's create a new one. We need to select as an automatically run a script uh, by choosing. Set the status to absent for devices not discovered for more than 30 days. So this is we can name this one. For this, this gonna be working for daily, but we can put it as this time as empty. And now I just going to do the glide record for the hardware table. So now we can speak for to do CMDB. So I just glide record and disco hardware table. So I'm just glide recording the hardware table. And also, let me open the hardware table first. Okay. So now I just do the encode query. I will just change encode query. So we are just going to get a filter of more than 30 days records. Most recent discovery should be more than 30 days. So for that, we already put the filter. So most recent discovery relative before 30 days ago. If we select it, so more than 30 days, the most recent discovery is there, and those kind of discovery we are going to update. So let me copy this, copy the filter and paste it in here. Then I just for this it will check uh, or if the days are more than 30. So like that it's checking. So we are just putting that running while loop because it is multiple records are there. So we just put a while and then install status. So we need to make the this more than 30 days means if this most recent discoveries are more than 30 days means we just want to make this install status as absent. The install test status in the selected field and we'll check the choices. Check configure show choice list. So here we have the absent is 100. So let me copy this value, paste it in here, clear that update, put bracket and save this. So if we execute it, it will be changing into install into absent. Totally 22 records are there. Let's do that. Let's check. Yeah, all our changes to absent. There are more than 30 days not discovered. Those kind of records only here. So if I remove the filter, other kind of records also there. Those are all recently discovered or recent things and all it will show. So this are all 5 days ago. Some are all empty. If we need to make those kind of records also, we can add it in the additional filter. So we can add it, and if we make it in the encode query, that will also work. So that's how today's video. We just learned about that how we can modify the status, install status using the schedule job. So these are all some best practices following in whenever we do have the commercial instance. Some of the customization like this we can do. That's it to this video. I'll see you soon.